Hi guys, if you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen with a microwave that offers powerful performance, intelligent cooking, and enough space for the whole family, then today's product is definitely worth your attention. We're checking out the Panasonic NNST75 LBC family size Genius Cyclonic Inverter Microwave Oven, and after looking at everything it brings to the table, it's easy to see why this model continues to attract so much interest. At first glance, the microwave immediately gives off a premium feel. The elegant black finish looks clean, modern, and stylish, making it a great addition to almost any kitchen setup. Its minimalist appearance pairs nicely with contemporary appliances while still focusing on practicality and everyday use. Performance is where this microwave really shines. Equipped with a powerful 1,200-watt cooking system, it heats food quickly while maintaining impressive consistency. Unlike conventional microwave ovens that cycle between full power and no power, Panasonic's Genius Cyclonic Inverter Technology continuously adjusts the energy level. This advanced system helps eliminate uneven heating, so meals come out hot throughout instead of having cold centers and overheated edges. Whether you're preparing breakfast before work, reheating lunch, cooking vegetables, making popcorn, or warming leftovers for dinner, this microwave is designed to deliver dependable results every time. Foods maintain better texture, moisture, and flavor because the cooking process remains steady from start to finish. Another feature that adds tremendous convenience is the collection of 15 auto-cook menus. Instead of manually adjusting power levels and cooking times, you simply select the appropriate food category, and the microwave automatically determines the best settings. It's an excellent feature for beginners while also saving valuable time for experienced home cooks. Capacity is another major advantage. This is a genuine family-sized microwave, giving you enough room to heat large dinner plates, casserole dishes, serving bowls, and meal prep containers without feeling cramped. Families, couples, and anyone who regularly prepares multiple servings will appreciate the generous interior space. The user interface has been designed with simplicity in mind. The digital display is bright and easy to read, while the touch controls respond quickly and are clearly labeled. Everything feels straightforward, making daily operations smooth even if you've never owned a Panasonic microwave before. Safety is equally important, and Panasonic includes a practical child lock feature that prevents accidental operation. This provides extra peace of mind for households with young children while adding another layer of everyday protection. Something else worth mentioning is how quietly the microwave operates. Even while delivering its full 1,200 watts of cooking power, the overall experience feels refined and efficient. Combined with Panasonic's inverter technology, it also helps optimize energy use by supplying only the power required throughout each cooking cycle. Who is this microwave best suited for? If you have a busy family, enjoy meal prepping, frequently reheat leftovers, or simply want faster and more reliable cooking performance, this model checks nearly every box. The combination of intelligent cooking technology and spacious capacity makes everyday meal preparation easier and more enjoyable. Of course, if your kitchen has extremely limited counter space or you only use a microwave occasionally, a smaller compact model may be more practical. But for most households, the larger capacity becomes one of its greatest strengths. Overall, the Panasonic NNST75 LBC delivers premium performance with advanced Genius Cyclonic Inverter Technology, powerful 1,200-watt cooking, 15 convenient auto-cook programs, family-size capacity, intuitive controls, quiet operation, and built-in child safety. It's a microwave designed to simplify cooking while producing consistently excellent results. If you want to buy this Panasonic NNST75 LBC family-size Genius Cyclonic Inverter 1200W microwave oven, please visit the product link provided in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.